Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create brick wall cabinet in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event that called Modular Street, and in this event you can create any special furniture. One of them is this brick wall cabinet. And to create this furniture, you need the recipe first. You can get this recipe from the Battle Pass rewards at this event. You need reach level 14 to unlock this recipe. And then after that, after you get this recipe, just go to your workbench, tap on craft, and then just scroll down until you find the recipe, the brick wall cabinet, this one. And then in here, just complete all the materials that needed. You need the timber and then stone and then modular brick material pack. And then after that, just adjust the amount that you want to create. And then after that, just tap on craft and then tap on hold to continue, like this. And just like that, you will successfully create the brick wall cabinet that has a cool appearance like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.